guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a circuit. So first we're gonna select a wire and a battery, and we are gonna test out light bulb. Let me tilt it a little like this. Now we use the wire again to complete the circuit. And we choose a switch, we choose a wire again, and done. Now we're going to turn on the switch and see our light bulb is working. So if you want to if you want to increase the voltages, then click on the battery, increase the voltage. As you see, the light bulb is really bright. So now we are going to test different experiments from this circuit. First, we will try resistor. Now if you will notice that if we increase the voltages, if we increase the voltages, the resistor will make our circuit, our electrons really slow. And if we decrease it, if we decrease this resistance, it will make our electrons really high. And it can change the color, the amount you add. It depends. Now we are going to try a fuse. Now if let me decrease the voltages and explain you what happened. If we add a fuse in this circuit and increase the voltages slowly, higher until it breaks. The fuse breaks at 41 volts. Now we are going to test a dollar bill. You can see a dollar bill is not a good conductor of electricity. So we are going to remove this and add a paper clip. Now you can see it is working. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.